Conway is a busy holiday resort in North Wales, and this is a popular shopping centre.
The Victoria Centre has 40 shops. It is very important we keep the work area clean and tidy. The compact Mil-tek machine and the plastic bag stands allow this with no problems. Some of the reasons we at the Victoria Centre chose to have a Mil-tek baler were it saves us both time and cost. The Mil-tek baler has allowed us to remove one of our cardboard containers, giving additional space and saving cost and time. The Mil-tek machine is very easy and simple to operate. Should we have any problems that arise, we have the added benefit of a local operator who is readily available to overcome and offer any advice.
They chose a Mil-tek 306 and an MT3 for the cardboard and plastic waste. The need for a 35 cubic yard container was saved, and there was the reduction in compactor container lifts because of the reduction in plastic waste. The machine makes 20 bales a week, which are then collected for recycling.